Are NFTs really capable of making you rich overnight? Imagine earning like $70 million from a single NFT on a single night. And boom, 70 mil. Yeah. An artist named Beeple made a massive collage of his work and has been adding one picture a day since 2007. He finally converted his work into a non-fungible token and sold it to the highest bidder for a whopping sum of $69.3 million. In today's video, we're going to be exploring one of the hottest topics going around these days. People making money from NFTs and other people wanting to get in on it because, yeah, money. So we're going to show you how certain NFTs have been making the average person insanely rich overnight, which is slightly exaggeration, but that's the nature of this. I'm so sorry, don't shoot me. Keep watching. Anyways, this venture is one of the big hits of the year when it comes to NFTs. The Flyfish Club is an NFT that's offering some out-of-the-box stuff to its exclusive members in the form of giving access to an exclusive dining place based in New York. Or should I say New York? Yay. This dining place is set to span over 10,000 square feet and is equipped with a private room too. This exclusivity and hype around the Flyfish Club are what makes its potential even greater and more appealing. The standard membership allows you to reserve a table at the dining club and bring you up to 8 non-token holder guests, your normie friends. In case you opt for the Flyfish Omakase membership, you receive the added perk of being able to bring a single guest to the VIP Flyfish Omakase room. As of now, the entire collection of NFTs is sold out, and it seems like they'll probably come up with more membership tokens for other locations as their popularity rises. The normal Flyfish Club membership costs like 2.5 ETH. And the Flyfish Omakase membership sets you back 4.25 ETH. Yikes. Another factor to keep in mind is that these memberships can be rented or sold to other people at any time. You can flip out your chip and then sell it. Yeah, I'm an economist. So anyways, as these membership prices are going to rise with growing popularity of the Flyfish Club, members can enjoy the exclusive benefit of dining and earning a hefty profit once they flip it off in the future. Yeah, just flip that chip. Jonathan Taylor and Salman Shawaf are the co-founders of this NFT, and they revealed that the objective behind it is basically to bring the hippie movement back, but in a digital space. The Dippies NFT aims to replicate the authentic hippie movement and follow their ideals behind having a community at a global level instead of small groups. Basically, these chill dudes are using NFTs as a way to trying to instill change by building a digital movement of sticking it to the man. Oh man, that's a great movement. Oh yeah. Yeah, this membership is structured pretty well, even with voting rights in play. The Fire Pit is a portal where members of this community can get together and discuss proposals for moving forward. Owning one NFT gives you one vote. Another perk is that every time minting is done, there's a chance to be a King Dippy or a Queen Dippy. If anyone mints a special edition NFT, they'll be rewarded with 3 ETH. This will be transferable straight to your wallet, which increases excitement and suspense if you ask this boy. They also have vans to offer, which you can use to roam the metaverse. They'll also be claimed after a month or 6 weeks from the launch. This NFT is bound to attract a huge community of people and is expected to blow up as their roots come from an authentic hippie movement, which had a lot of followers too. A set of 10K avatars, of which you're the owner of, lets you have exclusive access to The Garden. The Garden is basically a digital space on the internet where various artists, metaverse enthusiasts, developers, etc. can get together and talk about the brand new decentralization and its future. Imagine it like an old-fashioned barbershop where people make discussions genuinely. They're just talking and chatting. The avatars are anime-based characters that were sold for $3,400 at the initial launch. Can you guess how long it took to sell out 10,000 avatars? 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. You heard that right. The NFTs were all bought within the first couple of minutes of its sale, and they brought in around $30 million. Another round of private offerings saw $2 million raked in. The first month saw a flurry of transactions as volumes reached up to a stunning $300 million. The $3,400 initial price is nowhere to be seen anymore, as the cheapest avatar now costs more than 10 times that. The higher-end ones are being traded for about $500,000 each, so break out your wallets, everybody. Chiru Labs, which is the startup that came up with Azuki, doesn't really plan on stopping there. I mean, why would you? They've got a bigger version, and they want their intellectual property to be much more vast than it is currently. So it's safe to say that Azuki avatars have literally made people rich overnight. This NFT project has made Tom Brady as one of the co-founders and basically aims to target sports fans. Apart from that old Tom Brady, there have been a lot of other celebrities from the sporting world who are a part of this project, either in advisory capacities or financial backing. Some examples are Tiger Woods, Wayne Gretzky, Usain Bolt, and many, many more. The NFTs are offered to investors on DraftKings, which acts as a marketplace for smooth transactions. To date, over 100,000 NFTs have been sold through autograph.io, and it is still going strong. The best part about it is that the NFTs are super accessible to average investors too, and the prices can start as low as $12. The objective is two-sided, as it gives the platform not only to investors looking to buy and sell celebrity autograph NFTs, but also these celebrities who can launch their own collections and build their brand. Recent reports suggest that autograph.io has received $170 million as part of recent funding rounds, which means that it's only growing, and it's probably going to expand in the future. This is an accessible NFT for the average person too, and thus this is a great opportunity to earn some money. Potentially, until everyone flocks to it and then they start having problems or whatever, it's not always a guarantee. Just want to throw that into somewhere in the video, just make sure it gets our bases covered. So all in all, these NFTs have come as a brilliant opportunity to earn more money if you work smartly. Since it's just in its infancy, some would say, goo goo gaga, you even have the first mover advantage over the ones who don't think it's reliable. Hence, if you hustle now and you play the right cards, you could easily become rich from NFTs very soon. This list is just, shall we say, la cream on top of a huge base where you can find other valuable NFT projects too. La cream. So the key of all this is to do silly voices and to research and invest smartly. We recommend you spend some time doing more research, and then you can start earning money as soon as possible. Ciao.